Hi guys. I'm busy today. Almost whole day washing. But now I already done washing. I have so many clothes, guys. Dirty clothes because uh, last last week when I do washing, the machine did not run, so now it's running. So I've got a lot of dirty clothes. But I'm just so glad that I already finished washing the socks. So many guys really in here. See? There. Towels, rugs. Ay, katog na. So many there too at the back. There is one line hanging. So there. Everywhere is have clothes. Excuse me. It's a regular pile but needs to be hung. That one too needs to be hung. That's already finished. There. That's all my clothes. Pants, short, jacket, top. Towels. And good thing it's so hot today. There. All kinds of towels because we every now and then we always wear a back towel. So it's so hot really here, guys. Very hot. But here we have a lot of shade here. There is air, but when you stay in the sun, you feel hot. So it's not really hot. It's not humid. It's cool. Nice fresh air. So now I need to bring this one to hang Philip clothes. Agoy kabog at Lord, you know. Ito so more na ko arthritis are. I feel like I have arthritis here. Spain. My little hands. I think it's already 1 o'clock. See the sun, guys. But very nice when you stay on the shade because there's a lot of air. I can feel, look, the branches swaying with the air. Smells good, the air here because of my because of the clothes that I hang here. So I thought really today that the machine won't run anymore because of the, look at the condition here, guys. This is already that's already broke, but still I am surprised that he's still running. But sometimes I feel that it's like masyag mo kurente ba kanang sa kanang pangalan what do you call this one, guys? Kanang bitang mo magnet ba mo grounded mo ground siya, guys. Basta if my hands is wet, then I'm doing the getting the wet clothes here. See, I can feel the ground. Masyag, mumaak mo stick ako. Mumaak yung dari. Sakit. Maghumigas. So I'm just so happy still running today. Our durable Samsung machine. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. After hanging all the clothes, Philip clothes here, I'm going to make dinner. Cook dinner. Because I'm going to use the slow cooker. So bye. I will take a video when I start cooking the vegetables with meat. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.